Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. And the Do Not Disturb mode is designed to prevent your watch from disturbing you, of course, hence the name, and it does it by muting the notifications on your watch. And it could be useful if you're like at the meeting or in meeting at work. Maybe you're in some place you don't want to be disturbed, like cinema, theater or something like that. You can turn on the mode, mute the notifications, and once you're done you can unmute it or rather disable the mode and unmute the notifications. And basically that's how it works, and the purpose of it is muting and unmuting the notifications. And of course I'm going to show you how to enable it and disable it, so let's get started. And the first thing you will need to do is to open, or rather wake up the screen on your watch. And you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Then scroll through the quick panel by swiping left and right on the screen and look for this icon, the circle with the line inside of it. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. And once you find it and you want to enable the mode, you simply tap on this icon. You will see the message Do Not Disturb. The icon will get highlighted by the color and the icon will appear right here at the top, which all indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you go to the watch face, so if you press the back button, for example, on the watch face you will also see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And now the notifications are muted, so nothing will disturb you when the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, you can open the quick panel again, find the icon, tap on it, and the icon won't be highlighted anymore by the color. This one will disappear, and the one from the watch face will also disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and now the notifications are unmuted. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.